Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a new keyboard. So you might be, as me, probably 90% of the world or something like that is using a standard gaming keyboard with numpad on. You know, you have the standard numpad and the big keyboard. But this time I tried to buy something new. I wanted to try something new as a gamer. I bought what they call a TKL, a SteelSeries. Let's take it from here. This one. It is the SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL, and it's a mechanical gaming keyboard. It's made for PC, Mac, Xbox, and PS4. So, what about just unboxing it and see how it is? So, if we take my knife and first of all cut through the hole. There we go. As you can see, this is the keyboard. It's not very big, and that's the difference between a standard keyboard and a TKL. It is that the keyboard is much smaller, and it means you have to give up all the, you know, up the what you call the numpad section. But I was asking myself, do I use the numpad section for gaming? No. Do I use it for my OBS? No. But why do I need a numpad section then? And yeah, that was pretty much it. That made it for me. You get this one with it for glory. So that's pretty cool of you, SteelSeries. So let's take this bad boy up and see what we have here. So this is the keyboard with a very big, damn, that is a strong ass cable. That's a really strong cable. It even has 2 USB ports. We're getting a support bar with it. So you know, this bar here, you can have like it in where you have your hands like here, so it can like support you while using the keyboard. Okay, so that was basically the box. Let's get out the keyboard. Whoosh. That was a package. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. That is the keyboard. So now you're probably all sitting and waiting for, how is it sounding? Is it something that makes a lot of noises or not? So I think you all deserve to hear this. It's not bad. It's not like those mechanical keyboards that has a clicky function. So when you click down, it makes a lot of clicks. This is more like there is no additional sounds. It's more like it's actually when it hits the, you know, the bottom, then you can hear that. But I know that you can actually buy some kind of a silence rings, and then you can make it silent if you want. But I'm not gonna customize this one here. I'm gonna just keep it as it is. But it's really fun because, as you see here, you can probably see here. Oh no, sorry, here you don't have the numpad section. You're kind of missing it. So as you can see now, my build is complete. All my equipment is now synchronized through SteelSeries. They have this prime sync where all your devices together, mousepad, keyboard, mouse, even my screen is now synchronized together and showing the same colors. As you can see, this keyboard is pretty small, so it gives a lot of additional space on your desktop. It's pretty great. Also, if you see, it has an emote
tab in the top right corner, you can see I have my own Dvalin avatar drinking tea from his cup. That's a pretty cool feature. But else, the keyboard has a really fantastic small size, and it just fits very well on my keyboard. I can easily feel when I write on it that it's not as big as normal, and the enter button I have next to the numpad section is gone, so I'm still trying to click there even though the button is not there. That's pretty weird, even though. So this is my setup now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked my little setup with my full synchronized setup now. I kind of feel like it's pretty cool. So I'm pretty proud of it now. I feel like it's pretty cool to look at, just sitting and just looking at it. I don't even have to play games. I can just like sit and look at it. So I'm gonna try now play with a TKL keyboard and see how it is, and probably, you know, come with an update later on how it was to go from a standard keyboard to a TKL keyboard. So thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know about, do you play with a TKL keyboard, or do you more prefer to have your numpad section, even though you probably never use it in a game? Let me know, I'm keen to know. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you in another video. Bye.